Today on Pinbusters, we're making our own Mercury glass. We got a message from Karen out in Rosemere, Quebec, hey Canada, who would like us to make Mercury glass using some Looking Glass silver spray paint and a mixture of 1-in-1 apple cider vinegar and water. Let's see if it works. So we have our vase. The first thing you're gonna do is spray the entire vase inside and out with this Looking Glass silver Krylon spray, which we found on Amazon because apparently they don't just sell it anywhere. And I'm not gonna do it here because it gets everywhere, so I'm gonna let my producer do it at his house. Thank you, Jesse, for that spray paint tutorial. Now we have our glass. It's totally dry now. So we're gonna take our mixture and our cotton cloth. Let's use this for now to keep it down. And you're just supposed to spray it, right? Well, it smells like apple cider vinegar. And then you're just supposed to dab it, right? You're supposed to dab it with your cotton, and it's supposed to give you that distressed look. Look at that! You can see it actually really does work. I mean, I think like depending on how much spray you want to use, you know, probably less is better if you really want it to be like distressed and less see-through. But it does have a really cool effect. Yay! Well, Pin trusted. Thanks, Karen, for sending that to us on Facebook. Throw some flowers in there. Ta-da! Well, that's all we have for Pinbusters today. If you guys have pins at home you'd like us to try, email us at bust@pinbusterstv.com or leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you next time. Looks actually really cool.